Hello everyone. Today I have with me Mr. Kartavya Kothari, who has secured All India ranking 45 in the CS department, and he is also from VIT Vadala.
Yes.
First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
So today I'll ask you some questions. Okay. So basically, I wanted to know what inspired you to take GATE.
It was mainly my professors who told me I had डाउट सबको आते हैं ना कि अब क्या करना चाहिए, थर्ड ईयर आ गया एकदम से, जॉब करूँ या कुछ बाहर जाऊँ. तो दो ही ऑप्शंस थे, सॉर्ट ऑफ तीन ऑप्शंस थे, या तो एमएस करूँ या गेट करूँ इंडिया में रह के, या फिर जॉब करूँ. एंड कॉलेज लेवल पे इतनी अच्छी फ्रेशर जॉब लगती नहीं है, सो आई इट वाज आइदर एमएस या फिर गेट. So I went to my professors and they told me कि GATE is tough, but when you do consistent preparation, you can actually crack it. And being in India, doing it, it has better opportunities than going outside and then competing across the world with other students also.
Right. So there is a myth among the students, because मैं खुद personally students से मिलता हूँ, अलग अलग colleges में जाके मिलता हूँ. So what they basically think is, I mean their thought process is कि GATE exam is basically for MTech in India, and अगर आप GATE दोगे तो आपको MTech करना है, उसके बाद आपको professor या फिर lectureship में जाना है. So what do you want to say about that? I mean आप क्या suggest करना चाहते हो अपने juniors को कि what are the different opportunities other than going for just lectureship or a teaching job?
Currently, the scenario is there are so many students doing BTech.
Right.
So yeah, you have to stand out. You have to go for further education to get yourself a job that you could have gotten with a BTech degree, let's say like 10 years ago.
Right.
So for that, MTech is there. MTech, by doing MTech, you get eligible for a higher position in a job that you might have gotten like from 5 years with promotions.
Right.
So MTech, if you want to go for a job and a lucrative one where you have to see a acha career growth, then you have to go for MTech, and that too from good colleges. And to get good colleges, we have GATE. So by giving these examinations, you automatically get qualified to apply for such colleges and directly for such jobs.
Right. So that means both in terms of higher quality jobs and higher pay packages, right?
Yes. And you also have opportunities to study further if you want, going for a PhD or an academic background. That's just an option, not the direct path.
Yes. I mean, if you really have an interest for academic background, you can go. Okay. So also like great score, you have secured All India ranking 45, and we are really proud of you. And you are entirely from Vidyalanka family. You are from our college. You are from our classes. When did you start your preparation? आपने कब स्टार्ट किया था प्रिपरेशन? आपको कब लगा कि अब मुझे गेट का प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करना चाहिए? एंड आई मीन व्हाट वाज योर थॉट दैट टाइम? आपने क्या सोच के प्रिपरेशन सोचा कि मुझे गेट देना चाहिए या फिर मुझे गेट का प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करना चाहिए?
In 2018, after the new year, it hit me कि भाई थर्ड ईयर चालू हो गया है. This is my second last year in college. तो तब से थॉट प्रोसेस चालू हो गया था बाकी प्रोफेसर से बात करने का, अब क्या करूँ. About 15th 16 January कॉलेज गया, talked to professors and they said भाई या तो MS है या फिर there is GATE, which is supposedly tough, but if you do consistent preparation you'll get it. So one of my professors made a call to Vidyalanka Coaching Institutes, which was the only one established in Mumbai, like when you hear about GATE coaching classes. So that's why I got called here and took an admission about an 18th, joined on 19 January, and that's when I started my preparation.
Still remember that date. Yes. Okay, so that is the time when we start a new batch, and which is a 1 year batch. Okay, so that's great. And also tell me something about your preparation strategy, like which subject you started preparing for, and what was your preparation strategy? पूरे दिन में मतलब रोज आप थोड़ा थोड़ा घंटा प्रिपेयर करते थे या फिर आपने बचा के रखा था कि मैं एग्जाम से पहले, which is generally the mentality, because if you prepare for Mumbai University, so students they mostly prepare basically एक दो दिन एग्जाम से पहले. So that is not the same in the case of GATE, right? So आपका preparation strategy कैसा था? So you tell something about so that it motivates our student.
I had to handle two things at that point. One was my semester examinations and the GATE preparation, which I had just started.
Right.
And so I'll talk individually about those. My college preparations, we anyway studied just before the examinations. So that was my motive, like go to lectures, get understanding of some concepts that might also help in my GATE preparation, and then study about 2 days before my semester examinations. So that's how I handle my semester examinations. About GATE, which is the point of the question here. About GATE, what I did was I knew from the start कि यार sums बहुत ज़्यादा solve करने पड़ेंगे.
Correct.
सिर्फ थ्योरी पढ़ के कुछ होने वाला नहीं है.
Right.
You read theory, you forget it in 2 days. You
Right.
need to learn to apply it.
Right.
So my aim was clear: solve relevant sums, quality sums, and in quantity.
Right.
And for a schedule, I did not actually know where to begin from. So I completely trusted Vidyalankar
Okay.
to show me the schedule.
Okay.
We started with computer networks and computer organization and architecture in parallel.
Okay.
So I had just 2 subjects in my mind. That's a small goal. I prepared for it without thinking much about the other
So,
ones.
I mean, did you solve our last 20 years question papers that we provide? Like
Yes,
question
there's this
solution?
sleek book we get from Vidyalankar which
Yes.
has all the past 20 years question. I saw one from 1983.
Yes.
That's like more than 20 years. It's like 40 years now. I don't know.
Right.
So I solved that book completely when as soon as I completed any subject, maybe like 80%, I started solving the book.
Right.
And that isn't just testing your knowledge.
Okay.
Doing those sums is like directly learning from it.
Okay. So, Kartavya, in terms of difficulty, like of course, कुछ लोगों को कुछ subjects easy लगते हैं. For some students, those subjects, I mean, उनको कुछ subjects difficult लगते हैं. So, आपको भी ऐसा कुछ subjects था जो आपको difficult लगा था, and how did you handle those subjects? आपने कैसे tackle किया? Did you ask, did you take guidance from our professors at our center? और आपने कॉलेज के प्रोफेसर से गाइडेंस लिया है या फिर डिड यू डू आई मीन खुद से कुछ रिसर्च किया है? सो हाउ व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन इज कि आपका जो डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट्स है कौन से थे एंड हाउ डिड यू हैंडल दोस डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट्स?
Computer networks was the one which I found the most difficult.
Okay.
Because it kind of deviated from the core and into the real world more.
Okay.
Also, it has had a lot of things to learn.
Right.
I learned to tackle it by making notes, making extensive notes, because computer networks is a big field,
Right.
and GATE covers a small part of it, but still there could be leaks
Right.
to
Right.
new knowledge.
Right.
So computer networks was one I found tough. In my core subjects, TOC I could have found tough if not for the amazing professors that taught me TOC in a structured way.
Okay.
So I had a very good head start. I
Okay.
just had to solve sums
Right.
and go with it.
Okay. So, and did you also appear those mock tests that has been given by Vidyalankar? I think we provide 15 mock tests to all our students. So, आपने वो 15 के 15 mock tests लिए थे?
Yes, I did that, and I could see a graph from the statistics that was provided by the platform.
Okay. So, basically जो मुझे भी लगता है कि वो दो tool बहुत important है. First thing is those past 20 years question papers which you have to solve entirely, right? क्योंकि
Multiple times.
Yeah, multiple times. Okay. And secondly, those 15 full length tests. Okay. So that basically works as self assessment, right? You can assess yourself कि आपने पढ़ाई तो किया है पर आपको कितना स्कोर आ रहा है आपको टेस्ट दे के पता चलेगा, right?
Yes.
So, and are you also placed?
Yes, I'm currently placed in TCS.
TCS, okay, great. Congratulations for that
Thank
as well. So, I also wanted to know, did GATE preparation help you anyway in getting a job or grabbing a job on campus? आपको on campus placement के लिए कुछ help हुआ क्या, कुछ मदद हुआ क्या GATE exam के लिए?
Certainly, for just preparing for GATE, placement से ना ध्यान हटने लगता है.
Right.
Like specifically placement का करने के लिए.
Right.
But GATE की वजह से एक तो aptitude full on एकदम on point रहता है.
Right.
You have to solve so many sums so fast.
Right.
So GATE की वजह से aptitude तो एकदम on point था.
Right.
Full time से क्योंकि sums इतने सारे रहते हैं.
Right.
And दूसरा the domain knowledge. Most of the people get their coding good, get their normal single line questions good from internet and everywhere.
Right.
But the domain knowledge plays an important role to make you stand out.
Right.
Like one of the examples I remember from one of my interviews, they asked us about normalization in DBMS.
Right.
There are multiple normal forms,
Right,
there's
right,
DCNF.
right, right.
And so normal form कैसा रहता है कॉलेज के अंदर जब लर्न करते हैं ना, we tend to forget it just right after the examination अपना
Right.
semester का.
That is the approach actually
हाँ.
from my universities.
हाँ, but GATE करने की वजह से I actually knew all the normal forms by heart. Like रात को उठा के भी पूछो तो भी बता सकता हूँ 1, 2, 3 normal forms.
Okay.
And the designing aspects. And GATE की वजह से भी delve deeper into each concept.
Yes.
तो वो इंटरव्यूअर को काफी impressive लगा वो पॉइंट पे.
Right.
तो इस टाइप के डोमेन नॉलेज काफी हेल्प करते हैं. And also AMCAT tests
Okay.
which help in placement. They
Yes.
test the domain knowledge and aptitude.
Yes.
तो वो तो प्योरली GATE के लोग सीधा जाके कभी भी AMCAT दे सकते हैं.
Great, great, great. And what are the other options do CA students have in terms of, I know of course the premium college like IIT Bombay, IITs, I know top 7 IITs. Then we have IISc. Most of you, I mean, most of the toppers, they dream for IISc and IIT Bombay. उसके साथ साथ और क्या क्या ऑप्शंस है which I know because you might have researched
Yes.
those options as well, okay? तो उसके साथ साथ और क्या क्या ऑप्शंस है where CS students specifically they can go and apply for their masters?
हाँ, firstly the obvious advantage from a great preparation you have is the domain knowledge gets increased.
Right.
So कहीं भी जाते हो तो आपकी importance बढ़ जाती है.
Yes.
Any kind of job. Then there are so
Because you are technically expert in
yes,
other students.
exactly.
Right? Yes.
That's what they look like.
Yes.
Engineering की है तो वो आना चाहिए ना.
Right, right.
इसके लिए.
Right.
And the other places you can go is are PSUs.
Right.
PSUs are public sector units
Yes.
where you get a higher paying job as a fresher
Right.
just because you cleared GATE.
Okay.
Also, qualifying GATE gives you a small advantage that wherever you apply for an MTech, you get eligible for a government-sponsored stipend of 12,400 minimum.
Okay. So what about institute like triple ITs? Have you heard
Yes,
about it?
yes, that's
Triple IT is
also-
one option, right? For CS
Yes,
students. I
yes,
think
that's
they are
like
master's
top there with the
program.
IITs.
Yes, they are top. in
Yeah,
that.
they have GATE and also interview
Interview
as
process.
another phase.
Okay. So that is one area where they can explore. I mean,
Yes.
if they have a good gauge score, if students have a good gauge score, they can also explore.
Also BITS is
BITS,
there.
Pilani, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, BITS Master, BITS Pilani, both of them. Okay. And finally, I'd like to ask you, कि what are your future plan? Like, I mean, आप कहाँ जाने वाला अभी? Because you can get through any IITs. I know that IISc में भी आप apply कर सकते हो. लेकिन आपका plan क्या है? आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हो?
I want to go to IIT Bombay because I wanted to go there for a long time and GATE appeared to be a magical second chance to go there.
Okay.
So that and also IIT Bombay because it's in my home city itself.
Right,
तो
right.
उसकी वजह से.
That is an added advantage.
Yes, yes.
And what is your dream job? Like आप कहाँ finally आप कहाँ job करना चाहते
I
हो?
want to work at Google.
Google.
In the machine learning department of it. That would be like there. Like I don't want to change anymore.
Okay.
Google it is.
Okay. ठीक है. All the best.
Thank
and
you.
Our best wishes are with you. हम लोग चाहते हैं कि आपको 100% you get placed in Google and you make us even more proud.
Thank you.
Thank you.